Rose, this is James. Look, this is how rice changed the way I thought about how I think about communicating with my children. The Bible says in Proverbs that life and death is in the power of the tongue. There's an experiment done by a Japanese doctor, last name Dr. Emoto, and he did an experiment with rice. Now he spent, you know what? Just take a look.
Dr. Emoto has conducted another interesting experiment. He placed rice into 3 glass beakers and covered it with water. And then every day for a month, he said, "Thank you" to one beaker, "You're an idiot" to the second, and the third one he completely ignored. After 1 month, the rice that had been thanked began to ferment, giving off a strong, pleasant aroma. The rice in the second beaker turned black, and the rice that was ignored began to rot.
So you see, if life and death is truly in the power of the tongue, what we say to our children and how we say things to our children makes a big difference. Now, you can take this experiment and throw it off like it's a farce or whatever you want to do. But if any parts of this is true, that means that we have power to mold and shape our children by the words that we say. And heroes, what are you going to do with that power? So that's something I want you to think about.